So what we have is a small box which can be used to accept any inputs to control a remote control car. So on this end we have regular jelly bean buttons or accessibility buttons. So that you can see there's one for right, left, reverse, and forward. On the other end we have a USB port which will accept joysticks, whether they're for PC. And also we have an ECU port for connecting to the wheelchair. So with the joystick, very simple. It's just drive like a normal car. And for the buttons, we've added a feature to allow the user to control it with only a single button. So if the green button is forward, the black button is reverse. But for turning, when you push the left button, it turns the vehicle and it holds it so you can drive around. When you push the right button, go straight again, right again, and it turns